We're laying some storm sewer pipe coming down the service frontage roads, and then turn right around and excavate them, getting ready to start putting in the new frontage roads. We've already built the MSE walls and made the embankment and got the bridges finished up. We've set low pro CTB for the traffic barriers, you know. Normal 320 wouldn't do that, you know. This one has the extra counterweight on the back. The comfort of the machine's nice, you know, there's new seats and the way the suspension is and everything. Adjustable chair arms, just a lot better as far as the joysticks and the comfort sitting in a machine for 10 hours a day. I think Caterpillar is just a long-lasting machine as far as comfort and power and production. You can't do any better than Caterpillar in my books, and Ed Bell feels the same way. Try the 320E, you know. You don't have to buy the extra permits to haul it around town, you know. It's a lightweight machine and still very productive. Just a good versatile machine. You set the CTB with them or lay pipe or tear down a bridge and tear out some paving. And the 320Es has been an awesome machine.